Question: how does one know how to translate anything into flawless English nowadays? And I don't mean using Google Translate without losing its context or real meaning. Don't worry, I got you covered. Lufe.ai is a translation tool to help you understand anything in any language instantly. It's super useful for business owners, marketers, and even researchers who want to understand global content without language barriers. Before we begin, I would like to personally thank each and every one of you who has supported me so far. And of course, if you are not aware, I offer a complimentary ebook entitled Creating a Side Hustle with AI. In this book, you will find over 50 pages of tips, techniques, and strategies, and how you can kickstart your side hustle or business journey. This book is particularly designed for aspiring entrepreneurs and anyone interested on how to get around starting business using AI tools. As a marketer, I use Loop.ai every day to analyze foreign ad campaigns or even research articles. So, how does one get started using this app? Makes it easier to use and translate any language instantly. You have four different ways to translate. So let's start with the Loop.ai Chrome plugin. This tool integrates right into your browser. With just a click, you can translate any web page into any language instantly, no matter the original language. For starters, I'm going to install this extension into my browser. So we go to the page, Loop.ai page, and add to the Chrome. Add extension. Just wait for a bar, and you will come to this page where it starts off with the introduction English, which is your native language. So we're going to pin the loop.ai extension icon to the top browser so you can easily access it, and it will gonna do the real-time translation. So as you can see here, I have pinned my loop.ai extension. Make sure you turn it on before anything else. And so as you can see here, I can see my loop.ai automatically. So it is now successfully in on your browser. So let's do the necessary setting. As you can see here, I will do the translate on the web page on the left. This looks like a in German language. So let's see if we can do that. All right, let's press the translate button. But as you can see here, from German to English, and this is just amazing on how you can see the effectiveness of this tool. Look at it, just the side-by-side translation from German to English. So you can do the input translation, but I'm gonna skip it for now. For my next example, I'm gonna translate a Chinese language article to English. So we're gonna grab a chunk of a Chinese language paragraph from a local Chinese news. And I'm gonna do my own settings. Make sure I turn on the Chrome extension, translate this site to enable it so it can do a real-time translation. As you can see here, I have translated a few other paragraphs instantly, but I'm gonna do the opposite by copy and paste a Chinese language article. So I'm gonna do just that. So I'm gonna grab a part of the paragraph from this article, and we're going to copy and paste. So let's do the translation and see what comes up. As you can see here, here is the translation side by side comparison from the Chinese language to the English language. And you can see that it is accurate because we just did that with the Chrome extension. Now we're gonna do the next example. I'm gonna do a translation of an image. Particularly when you shop online, you will find some t-shirts with Chinese language or any other foreign languages. So, and you can see here, I'm not sure what it means. And let's see if the text recognition can do its trick. Oh, good, cool. Here it is. So for the next example, I'm gonna choose a Chinese language PDF. Let's see if it really does do the work in translation. I'm gonna save this PDF and I'm gonna upload this PDF and look see if it can translate this this document here is a manuscript actually, and let's see the translation process. It may take some time, and as you can see on the screen, it literally translate every uh, paragraph of this article or manuscript into the translation in English, which is highlighted in red, and is great for research. If you're doing research, or you just wanna understand what the article or probably the document or even manuscript is about. So it's amazing. You can do this in different languages. So it does the work. Is Lufe.ai free for a start? For starters, Lufe.ai pricing plans has different tiers starting from the free plan all the way to premium. And of course, if you want to just do a trial, you can do a free start with the free plan. But of course, it has its limitations. But if you can just start with the starter, it's just good enough. There are much more other features there if you are into the advanced level, or if you are in a business which requires frequent translation. So where do I sign up? Right? So if you're ready to translate the world into your own language, you can try Lufe.ai today. I have left the link below for you to perhaps try it out or do a subscription to any of the uh, plans, and you can turn any language barriers into an opportunity. If you enjoyed today's video and appreciate the advantages of using Loop.ai translation features, I would love to hear from you what you think of it. And if you are using it, just leave your comments down below. Before I sign off, I would like to share with you that I have hundreds of valuable content pieces, including how to create a video, copywriting, and even SEO that will assist you in your entrepreneurial and marketing journey. So, therefore, please follow my channel. It means a lot to me. Activate the notification bell so to keep updated. And thank you for following me this far. And as always, I'll see you next.